I am going to do a special gravy. First one is gravy number 1 with vegetables. So we will see how the gravy number 1 is going to be done. For that, there are lots of ingredients. So we will see what are the ingredients and how we are going to make it. So this is what I am going to show you now. The ingredients that I am using is cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin seed, vinegar and curry powder and a little chicken cube, water. So all that together we are going to mix it and make a gravy. All ground ingredients or all powdered ingredients. Cinnamon powder, cloves, cardamom, cumin seed, all I am using 1 teaspoon. Little vinegar, that is also 1 dessert spoon. Then we need a chicken cube, half a chicken cube. I break it up and use it. That also I have used. Along with that, I will use the chili powder. We will boil it once. When it comes to boil, you can see how it is boiling. I have not put salt yet. Put a little salt. Cumin seed. Turmeric we put. Cumin seed and all we have powdered and put. Add a little water separately and a teaspoon of corn flour. Dilute and add it into this. Just a dessert spoon of corn flour. See, it has got thickened now. That is more than enough. Now what I am going to do is, I will keep this aside. Put it into a bowl and keep this ready. This is the gravy I have done. It's number 1 gravy that I have done. Quick and easy to do. This gravy is not enough. Just I have done it. Now I am going to do one thing. In the same pan itself I can do. I am using a little oil. Put the onions. Shredded onions I put and stir fry. Though the gravy is ready, you will be wondering why the gravy is like that. Now I am going to do something for you which is, no one has done this. You can always do that. And ginger and garlic. Capsicum cut into large pieces. Carrots cut into large pieces. Can you see? Large pieces. And a little curry leaves also. You know, always curry leaves, I break it up and use it. Stir fry this. So now when I stir fry, can add a little oil if it is not enough. This way you can do. You can use, if you like, vegetables, any vegetables, beans, cabbage, whatever vegetables you like you can use. I wanted potatoes also. Like this, if you want, you can use other vegetables, whatever you like, beans, cabbage, those things also you can put, or else you can use cauliflower, any other vegetables you like, soya meat, cauliflower, and if I want I can use a little bit of pepper also. Now my gravy is ready. You can see my gravy is ready. So if my gravy is ready, what can I do now? I am going to put the cauliflowers, If you like, you can use even soya meat, tofu, whatever you like. Ladies used to ask me, don't do only fish and meat, you do even vegetarian dishes. See, I have done a gravy separately, and the gravy which I have done, I have kept it aside. And lastly, you put all the stir fry things, and this is my version of the vegetable gravy number 1, which I have done for you, and you can try it out. Rice with the stir fried vegetables and the gravy number 1. The gravy number 1 which I have done here, the gravy, you saw how the gravy was done, and of course the vegetables I stir fried. Whatever vegetables you like you can use, I told you. Hard vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, capsicum and all that. You can use all those vegetables and stir fry and put in with the gravy and serve it with rice or whatever you like, with roti, with rice, anything that you can serve. You can prepare like this and see, quick, easy to prepare.